had it at, or do you want me to go by what now it is now? Hold on.
Well, did you enter it there?
I wrote it down at when you said to do it.
Okay. Which it's higher up than it was now, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, silly cat. Hold on. Uh-oh.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, Ed Jones. How's it going?
All right. How you doing? I was trying to contact Jamie. I sent that indicator that I sent you, the TDI.
Yeah.
Yeah, check your inbox, dude.
Awesome.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Ed. Hey, good morning, real quick, everybody. This part is being recorded, so I'm going to talk for a minute. What we're doing is we know that the market is kind of shady, to be very direct. Made some huge moves last week, so we want to be careful. You can choose if you want to do your full amount of 20% or if you want to go a little bit lighter on this one. This one is a bit, touch and go. So we are at the average daily low, but it is red, so price has touched this. What price is going to do next, we don't know. However, what we're seeing is we did break below, so that's definitely a confirmation to sell. We made a lower low. Everything is kind of pointing to a sell, but I'm going to go to this other chart to show you what I'm seeing. This is the 4-hour chart. We have our daily dots. We have an 8 and 18 crossover. We're below the 50. We retested the 50. Okay, Mr. Jamie on the call pointed out the divergence. I don't use divergence too much, but I do see it. So our ADX, our sellers are in control. We do have a crossover on the MACD and broke below the 50. We do have our auto trend and our auto forecaster all saying sell. And of course, the euro is weaker than the CAD. So that's what we're seeing. The only thing I don't love about this is obviously the market is a little bit picky today and the momentum is low, which means we could be pulling back for a little while. So it's totally up to you how you want to trade, how you want to take this trade, if you want to take this trade, and if you see this trade. So here's what we're seeing, a possible pullback of anywhere from 30-ish pips, give or take. If you want to wait to make an entry there, you can. You may miss the move. If you feel that that's necessary, then you can do that. A potential of approximately 130 pips with likelihood of closer to 80. In and around this zone would give you about 80 pips. So that's what we're hoping to get out of it. Please, if you're using a stop loss, make sure you're leaving plenty of room on that stop loss for it to move. So if price breaks above this high, this fractal high, the trade would be invalid. But until then, it's valid.
That EurCad signal that went out for a buy. Sorry to interrupt you.
Donna, fix that. Donna, it's not a buy. That's it. There are a few people. Hold on. Thank you, Brent.
Sorry.
I'm messaging you, and now I can't.
No problem. That's what we're all here for.
Thank you. See, I love our family. So I don't like that wick to the top side, but if you're entering now, you would have a safer entry. So that's what we're seeing. In general, I really don't want to take a bunch of trades today. I want to let the market kind of cool off after the huge moves it made on Thursday and Friday. And then the pairs that I do kind of want to trade is an NZD and odd, and they have some nonsense going on today, so I don't want to mess with those. So guys, that's what we're seeing. There is oil news on Wednesday, so be very mindful of that. That's not on here. And Euro has their CPI data on Wednesday. So the market's going to be a little bit floofy. We'll kind of see what it does. And I don't like how we just whipped off of that. So we'll see. But fair enough, we took the signal in class. I wouldn't necessarily do 20% on it, but I mean, I wanted you guys to have this. It's one of those things. So there you go. I'm going to stop this recording if I even started. How can I tell? Because it's being a complete...
You're still live on YouTube, but it's not recorded anymore on Zoom.